This is day 8 of this Magnum Opus, Alchemy by Steven School. Do not try this at home. Not for consumption. Day 8. Okay. So, this is what the extraction vessel looks like on day 8. And this is what the cucurbit of the alembic looks like. The glass of the Alchemist, the distillation vessel of this type, is called the alembic. The top is called the distillation head. The lower half is called the cucurbit. And this long arm is a condensation arm. Over here we have a vented chapter and a receptacle. So this is day 8. You can see when I have the heat on, which it's not on right now, when I have the heat on, the distillate condenses here and rolls down the condensation arm through the vent adapter into the receptacle, turning the wheel of alchemy. So this is on the second turn of the wheel. I'm just going to make a quick update video today on day 8. I want to talk about the redness, especially that attached to the glass back there. In the writings of Nicholas Flamel, or writings attributed to the alchemist Nicholas Flamel, he talks about the water of the bleeding rose tree. In other old alchemical writings, they talk about the rosy-colored blood of the green lion. Okay, those are the things that come to mind when I see that liquid. I've worked with it before and seen it before in my work with the green lion. You may see that red stuff back there. You may see that red crystal-like matter on the cover of some of my old books, like Alchemy Survival Guide and The Raven's Head, Secret of the Red Mercury. It's like a clear distillate. I've encountered it when distilling the green lion, which research would indicate could be sulfuric acid. However, whatever the water is, when I've experimented with it in heat, it seems to turn red and tries to crystallize. That is my green lion. This is Alchemy of Steven School. This is going to be my new sand bath. It's an iron bowl with an iron trivet. This is my cast iron mortar and pestle that I've had for many years now. Doing my alchemy work for many years with that. An interesting addition to my alchemy laboratory. I have a crystal ball. The alchemists John Dee and Edward Kelly were said to have had a crystal ball in their alchemist laboratory. I manifested coming into possession of one, and voila, there it is. Manifestation is big in alchemy. Manifesting things, the reaping and the sowing, planting the seed and forgetting it and see it come true. My larger alembic over there. The Alchemist laboratory is getting more complex as time goes on. Let's look at the colors in the glass. We can see that redness from here. The water of the bleeding rose tree. The rosy colored blood of the green lion. I remember reading an alchemical writing a long time ago. It was an old one. It might have been, I think it was from, it might have been from Paracelsus, I'm not sure. But it said something about, from the green lion take naught but his rosy colored blood. Interesting. And if you've studied alchemy, you may know about the black stage that we're supposed to see. That's supposed to be very important. The black stage. In this work, the black stage is not far away from my green lion. It is never far away. It's only as far away as a philosophical calcination. A lot of people say in alchemy that calcination is philosophical. I say it depends on what work you're doing or what stage you're at in the work. But with the green lion, the black stage is only as far away as the philosophical calcination, which we will see in further videos. As this channel grows, I intend to make more videos, and we'll get deeper into these subjects. That new sand bath, I like it. What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments down below. It's perfect. It looks old and rustic. It looks like it belongs in an alchemist laboratory. All I have to do is set the trivet on a heat source. I can put an open flame under the bowl. I can set the feet of it on a hot plate. The bowl gets filled with sand. And that's that. This is Alchemy of Steven School. Do not try this at home, not for consumption. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for updates. And have a nice day.